name is Aparna Kannan. I have been learning music since my childhood, and today is the 6th month anniversary of Raga Room. So it's really exciting. Yeah, 6 months.
Yeah.
Yeah. So today I'm going to sing Ramachandra Bhavayami in the Raga Vasanta. It's a Dikshita Kriti. Ramachandram bhavayami Raghukulatилakam Upendram Ramachandram bhavayami Raghukulatилakam Upendram Ramachandram bhavayami Raghukulatилakam Upendram Chandram bhavayami Raghukulatилakam Upendram Ramachandram bhavayami. Bhumija nayakam bhukti muktidayakam Bhumija nayakam bhukti muktidayakam Bhumija nayakam bhukti muktidayakam Bhumija nayakam bhukti muktidayakam Nama Kirtana Tarakam Naravaranga Samayikam Nama Kirtana Tarakam Naravaranga Samayikam Ramachandram bhavayami Raghukulatилakam Upendram Ramachandram bhavayami. Sakita nagare nivasantam samraja pradhanumantam Sakita nagare nivasantam samraja pradhanumantam Rakendu vadanam bhagavantam Ramaniya kalyana gunavatam Rakendu vadanam bhagavantam Ramaniya kalyana gunavantam Kakustam Dhimantam Kamalasham Shrimantam Nageshanu Naraguru Guha Viharantam Kakustam Dhimantam